my name's Oriana. I'm with BMW of West Houston, and today we'll be going over on how to replace the key battery from your key fob. First step is you'll press on this little side button to detach the key. From there, you're gonna slide off the little tab, just like this. And in here will be your battery for your key fob. Just make sure whenever you go buy the new battery, you can get it at any local store, you make sure you get the correct voltage. And then to simply get off the key, I like to use a staple remover, and it easily pops off. And then you're gonna come and get your new battery, simply place it in, and then we're just gonna close it off. Make sure it makes a snap noise, and then you place your key again. And from there, you have a new battery on your key fob.